Be blessed by the divine. The evolution of living beings. We have already seen how the earth, which is less than a dot in the universe, took form and shape from the basic energy particles Akash. In order to understand how the sun and other stars evolved, one must visualize the formation of the earth. When energy accumulates, particles gather close to one another in an area and the entire field starts rotating. Then centrifugal and centripetal action continues for thousands of years. The heavier elements settle in the middle and the lighter elements settle layer by layer towards the periphery. As a result, a new spherical body is formed with solid mass in the center. The solid is surrounded by water, then air, and then energy, the pure Akashic particles. In this manner, layer by layer, the earth was formed. Gradually, the central solid portion increased in volume and mass. Part of it projected out of the water due to the burning of metals and chemicals. The molten materials in the center exploded in volcanic eruptions. When these materials emerged from the surface of the water, they formed mountains. In this way, the surface of the earth appeared little by little. Then the rains came, the mountains were eroded, and vegetation started growing, ending up in big forest. In course of time, forests were cleared and arable lands were developed. In some areas, deserts were formed. When there was expansion at the center of the earth, the surface projected above the waterline over a large area, forming continents. Thousands of square miles of land remained as desert. Thus, on the earth, there developed 5 regions: mountains, forest, agricultural land, sea coast, and deserts. The ancients in Tamil Nadu described these divisions as Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, and Palai, respectively. At present, 75% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Only 25% is land, consisting of the 5 divisions listed above. The Earth is rotating precisely and regularly. In the center of the Earth, heavy elements are still in a hot, molten state of continuous atomic fission. Isotopes and atoms are thrown outward continuously and spread all around the Earth. They also fly far away from the Earth into the atmosphere. After they reach a certain distance, and they lose velocity and remain floating in space. When such particles join together, they become meteors. They may gradually grow bigger, and because of their weight and the gravitational pull of the Earth, they may fall on the Earth. Most of them are burnt up by the atmospheric heat, and the other meteors become satellites in the course of time. Over a period of billions of years, the solid portion and the heat of our planet will increase. At some point, all the water will be evaporated by the heat and only a solid surface will remain. Heat will still be produced and the planet will become a star. In the beginning of formation of any star must be from light gases, water, earth, air, and energy. For a certain period, living beings may inhabit the planet, but when the water dries up and the atmosphere is denuded of oxygen, no living being can survive. Such a change will come to the earth. This change from earth to a star takes about 5 billion years. From this explanation, one can envision the evolution of the whole universe. The evolution of living beings will continue in part 2. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be blessed by the divine.